friends and fam, welcome to another episode. On this journey, we want to calculate 5,544 divided by 14. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 5,544 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 14 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 5 big enough for 14 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 14 is larger than 5. So we must take the next digit too. How many 14 are in 55? The answer is 3. Now multiply 3 by 14, which gives us 42. Draw a line and subtract 55 minus 42, which leaves us with 13. Now we bring down the next digit 4, and this makes our new number 134. How many 14 are in 134? The answer is 9. Now multiply 9 by 14, which gives us 126. Draw a line and subtract 134 minus 126, which leaves us with 8. Now we bring down the next digit 4, and this makes our new number 84. How many 14 are in 84? The answer is 6. Now multiply 6 by 14, which gives us 84. Draw a line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 396. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe if you want more adventures.